Ladies and gentlemen, we are back with another beautiful setup right here on XAUUSD on the 15 minutes time frame. We have a beautiful drop based rally with multiple break of structures to the upside, and that we have liquidity which was left behind, an inducement, and our POI right here. So what we have to do right now is go to the lower time frame, find the order block that caused that change of character. We mark that. So if this is on the 5 minutes time frame, you can actually go to the 3 minutes time frame to get the better view of this order block. Let me show you now. So let's zoom in right there on the order block. So you can see that's my order block right there. I've gotten the high and the low of that particular candle, and I've taken it to the right side. I'm just waiting for price to retrace back into that zone, and then once that happens, I'll be able to look for entry signals to actually execute this particular trade. If you go to the higher time frame, on the 2-hour time frame, you'll be able to appreciate that the trend is actually very bullish, and because of that, we're going to look for buying opportunities on this particular pair right here. And then you can see that this is actually a 1-to-14 risk reward ratio trade. We are risking about 60 pips to potentially make about 840 pips, and my stop loss is just on this low right here, and then my target is actually this high right there, making this a 1-to-14 risk reward ratio. And then once the signal has been confirmed, this trade is going to be shared in our premium signals community like we always do. All right, so this is a very quick one, A+ setup, textbook setup right here. Nice drop based rally formed by big momentum candles, and you can see the market was consolidating to the upside. We had a big drop on Friday, leaving liquidity below right here, and then once we have the market in our zone, we'll be able to execute. It's as simple as that. And remember, if you'd like to actually join us, there'll be links down in the description, and remember to follow our new M&L Forex Traders page 2.0. The first one was actually suspended, therefore we're using this other one right here. I'm going to link it down in the description. All right, this was a quick one, and I wish you all the very best as we step into the new week right here. All right, you guys, take care.